So, this call tonight is going to reflect someone who needs to hear this message. This universal message of success is for you tonight. You have graduated, you have elevated, you have put yourself in a position where you're going to flourish and thrive and secure the bag and create a great manifestation for your future. Now what? Now what? The key words tonight is conditioning, dedication, success, making success happen, moving success into your destiny. It's your time. Not to mimic what another person says or does, but to genuinely have a backbone based on resilience and stamina. Now, this is the part that I want you to really catch. Don't drop the ball now, okay? There are going to be sequence of events that will happen. You must stay grateful, and gratitude must be the attitude within the concepts of these examinations. And once you are there, the discernment within the God source within your life is going to give you an invitation to be able to be tested. Now, these tests and these exams are for you specifically as guideposts. These are little places where you must realize that this is where you have gone. And you've been there, you've done that. You know, we talked about it on Alternative Recovery Solutions where we looked at coping skill number 2. In that skill set, it tells us how to cope and how to refuse reservations. So when you put the memory posts of what you believed your journey was a life lesson for you, that will make you very strong, and you'll start to see your life unfold before your eyes in a really productive and successful way. It's up to you to do your ultimate best. See, words are great pep rally starters. They will make people jump. Yeah, that's great. Go. Yeah. But you don't need a cheerleading team because cheerleaders get bullied too. So what I want you to do is find your own inner pep rally. But who will really remember what you are saying? That's why people follow what you say. They want to make sure that you're going to be a woman or a man of your word. Most times, the journey is specifically about how truthful you were from what you said in the beginning. Remember that. When it truly matters, remember what you are saying. I see all those who are respecting the vision of showing up for themselves, which in turn helps you to show up for the world. And it's a beautiful time. So go out there and get yours. It's your time to shine. And that is the universal message for today. We'll see you next time.